Division of Lanao del Norte, Alfrejan O. Martinez, and the coach Francis Ann H. Dumao. From the Division of Lanao del Norte, Rene D. Along, and the coach Francis Ann H. Dumao. And the gold medalist from the Division of Misamis Oriental, Hadiperti Pagobo. With his coach Aldrin A. Sabado and Gorgonio A. Bacasnot Jr. Congratulations.
Player only, player only.
Thank you. Next is the junior boys, 44 to 46 kilograms. Bronze medal, Ken Lloyd E. Padrina of Cagayan de Oro City, Cagayan de Oro Riser. With the coach Yvonne C. Pandan and Mark Elvin C. Kaegen. Another bronze medal for France, Ruben C. Balok of Hingog City Division. With the coach, Benji D. Almonte and Ardell is Bacan. Silver medal, James Joseph C. Undag, Misamis Oriental Division, with the coach Aldrin Sabado and Gorgonio M. Bacasnot Jr. And the gold medalist from Lanao del Norte, Rivias E. Pasiones Jr. with the coach Francis Ann H. Dumao.
O, tanan. Isang. Ma'am, saka ma'am. Tapa ni JR, ma'am. Anak. Apil mama. Up. Closer. Okay, player only. Player.
Thank you. Next is junior boys, 46.1 kilograms to 48 kilograms.
Sige.
Bronze medal for Jans Albert E. Bersabal.
Ready, 1, 2, 3.
From the Division of Cagayan de Oro City. With the coach Yvonne C. Panda and Mark Elvin C. Kaingen, senior riser. Len E. Kasaya of Misamis Oriental. And with the coach Aldrin E. Sabado, Gorgonio M. Bacasnot Jr. And the gold medal for King Cyrus C. Opamen from the province of Misamis Occidental, Asinso Mismo, with the coach Sunny Boy Ibarra and Jose Biglister G. Pantoja.
Okay, player only.
player.
Sige, saka na yun.
48.1
Boxer na lang. Player.
Bronze medal for Mark Kelvin Camino from El Salvador, Sidroso and Quinilene Plaza. Another medal for bronze medal for Refer James P. Imperio of Balay City Division with the coach Hyacinth S. De La Pena and Alfredo Jr. in Sixing. Silver medal is held by awarded to Ayan Clark B. Magallanes from the division of Bukidnon. With the coach Jimbo J. Wayan Jr. And gold medal for Grace Gabriel M. Caranay from the division of Cagayan de Oro City, the city of Golden Fisher, with coach Yvonne C. Pandan and Mark Elvin C. Kalingin.
Okay, Rene. Atlet ako, atlet. Atlet ako eh. Tawag na tayo, atlet.
Next is light
Atlet lang, sir.
division
Atlet lang.
for category 50.1 kilograms to 52 kilograms. Bronze medals for John Robin T. Talita of Valencia City, the city of Golden Harvest, with coach Randolph B. Dibanco. And another bronze medal for Richie Niel B. Tutor from the division of Cagayan de Oro City, with the coach Yvonne C. Pandan and Mark Elvin C. Kayen. Silver medal for Justin B. Yanez from the division of Misamis Oriental, with the coach Alred A. Sabado and Orgonio M. Bacasmot Jr. Gold medal for Johnny B. Solidad from Lanao del Norte, the land of beauty and bounty, with the coach Francis Ann H. Domao. Congratulations.
Tanan sa sir, tanan. Password. 2810. Gede. Okay, player only.
Boxer.
Thank you. Next is bantamweight junior 52.1 to 50
Dire lang ka mga ayaw, ma'am.
category.
Ay, kamu dua daw bin. Jani, isang daw jani bin. Jani. Dali, ma'am. Dali.
Carl Lawrence M. Nanila from Misamis Oriental Division, with coach Alvin A. Sabado and Gorgonio A. Bacasnot Jr. For Valencia City, we have John Lloyd in Toledo and with the coach Randolph B. Dampo. Silver medal David S. Portalio from the division of Lanao del Norte, with coach Francis Ann H. Domao.
Ma'am, sige na, ma'am.
And the gold medal for John Michael L. Estorba from the division of Cagayan de Oro City, Team Studio Riser, with the coaches Yvonne C. Pandan and Mark Elvin C. Kaingen.
Sige. Atlet only, atlet. Player only.
Next is your minimum weight division 46 to 48 kilograms.
Sige.
Bronze medal Mark Jupiter Abanelia from Lanao del Norte with coach Francis Han S. Dumao and Gordon Junior Baviera from the division of Cagayan de Oro with coaches Yvonne C. Pandan and Mark Elven C. Aini. Silver medal for Gerard P. Daniel, division of Misamis Occidental with coaches Saniboy L. Ibarra and Jose G. Pantoja. Gold medal is awarded to Mark Joseph T. Manqueques of the division of Iligan City, the city of waterfalls, with coaches Raspberry Bartolata and Pedro D. Idla.
Player. Ready?
Youth flyweight category 48.1 to 51 kilograms. Bronze medal for Jason D. Santigan of Higog City with coaches Benjini Almonte and Ardel C. Baclan. Another bronze medal for Joren Y. Ocampo from the division of Bukidnon and the coach Jimbo P. Bakwaya Jr. Silver medal for Aljef B. Dilema of Cagayan de Oro City Division Team Senior Riser with coaches Yvonne C. Pandan and Mark Elvin C. Kaimin. And of course the gold medalist we have Wayne John Emmanuel L. Sumago from the division of Misamis Oriental with coaches Aldrin E. Sabado and Gorgonio M. Pacasnot Jr. Congratulations. Next is your bantamweight category 51.1 to 54 kilograms. Bronze medals for Mark Anthony Emmanuel from Valencia City, the city of Golden Harvest, with coach Randolph B. Bibang. And another bronze medal for John Raven A. Gano from Lanao del Norte, with coach Francis Ann Eds Dumao. Silver medal for J. Brex A. Anaza from the division of Misamis Oriental, the home of Cuyames Festival, with coaches Aldrin E. Sabado and Gorgonio M. Pacasnot Jr. And your gold medalist, Sherwin T. Villanueva from the division of Cagayan de Oro City Team Senior Riser, with coaches Yvonne C. Pandan and Mark Elvin C. Kaini.
Kena mo boxer, nasumbagan yun.
Mana?
Gold medalist will represent Region 10 in the coming Palarong Pambansa at Ilocos Norte. Requesting all gold medalists to please
May siya ang mga gold medalist. Muna sila ang modula sa Ilocos Norte.
Winners gikan sa
Muna ang mga gold medalist.
Bronze medalist na 20 na po, silver medalist na napulong, and finally ang atong gold medalist na maoy mo represent Ilocos. Sa lugar ni Pilipin. Ilocos ba na? Ilocos Norte. Alright, so requesting the gold medalist to please stand up. Table mo. And ladies and gentlemen, and the people of Misamis Occidental, ato pakpakan ang ato mga gold medalist na diin o represent sa palarong pambansa 2025 comes May 22 palingon sa June 2. Muna yung nabasama na po sa FB. So, gusto na to, pakpakan na to sila. So, kamo may napili ang DepEd Region 10 is expecting much from you. Ang Region 10, kaya kamo naman nag-represent sa Region 10. Dili na mo ingon na sa Lanao, Del Norte, Cagayan de Oro City, Mismor, Iligan, sino to? Nainis Oak. Isa, ano to akong kuligo, ako sa katawon. Adira. Adira, kanina atong final. So, ang overall champion, wailain ang Lanao del Norte. Garnering 3 golds, 2 ka silver, o pilay bronze. Ano ito kung rin mo diyan ay? Pilay bronze po nila. Ang kakwintahon man po sa overall champion ang gold medals. So tulungan sila. And considering na ang Lanao ang champion, wailain ang main coach. Please help me welcome Ma'am Francis. So naalas ka na, ano yung official coach. And ang sikat, garnering 3 goals also, pero sana ang silver. Wailain from the division of Cagayan de Oro City. Sa muna lang. Pas ka mga city o, Maxers. Down din ang Lanao. Logya po sila. And the boxing technical officials, ang among i-recommend na mag-assistant coach, wailain ang head coach po sa Cagayan de Oro City. Wailain Ma'am Yvonne si Bandan. So, kapag doon ang magatiman ang mga bata mama sa trainers, it's beyond our decision. Wala niya na, hindi maka-decide. Depende na sa Region 10 ang committee, screening committee, kinsa i-recommend. So, depende na si Ma'am, ang head coach, si Ma'am Lanao, depende na siya mo-recommend. Depende na dayon. So, once again, congratulations and looking forward na inyong ipasigar po ang DepEd Region 10 at sa Palarong Pambansa 2025. Ato miyagi atuin dito sa Cebu, ang Region 10, overall ikaupat rata. Ikaupat, kunya ang nagkakod nila ito, usapan yun. Wala So before the unloading, si Sir Kitty, Mr. Dan. Sir Dan,
thank you sa pagsali, sir. Excited siguro. Wala ka mga importante resultados na pag-imay sa iba. Unang-una is the team has class in them, but your training starts. Mas kuna po. Malay ako na pa yung training magkita, but if you go back to your school, goal naman din, 1 month lang. 1 month lang. The tournament has class in them, but your training begins. Bahala na sila na mga trainer, napakamoy pa mag-train nila. Una na itong i-train, na itong kaubalin. Let's in our minds na discipline. Gusto na sa atong bibig ng mga pag-usahin ng boss, disiplinado. Training sa ito ba ito? Kalas ang mga ito, ang pinaka-important observe sa Damsa. You are not only representing your division, but the region. Whatever happens, whatever the result, kung sa result natin, I know na ang division, ang region, dili po nila tayo ng inyong mga kahapon. Meaning to say, if you will start your training, preparing yourselves awards away. Doon ay nagpaabot ng madali. Especially, target din natin doon. Isang ka ng buwa, kana lang siguro on my part. Thank you so much, Lady.
Salamat sa iya, atong Assistant Parliament Director. And now, it's our pride and honor, no, sa DepEd Region 10 na grabe ka kuwan kayo kanang ang iyang passion sa vaccine. And kauban nato siya sa mga previous regional tournament sa Braha na nakatuig, and niulit lang yun siya tungod ani karon sa championship. Akong ihatag way lain ang atong international referee judge, 3-star yun, basta-basta ni way lain Madam Lodi Teres Tesoro Seriales, fresh from USC, basta-basta.
Okay, congratulations, boxers. Women power for the coming Palarong Bansa. Okay, so some of you already knew me. So I belong to DepEd before. Nag-retire na po. So, kung sa kwan pa nag-partisa na. And I am one of the pioneering international referee judge in world boxing. Balik na ang boxing sa Olympics Los Angeles 2028. So, officially, no, not officially, but provisionally, world boxing will be the one to officiate the coming LA 2028. Hopefully, makita na dito. So, this is a surprise. I never told anyone that I'm coming home. Pero beside kung wala na ako sa DepEd, nagkapulti lang akong tigil basta vaccine. Ngayon ako kaumo. So I want to inspire you from rags to riches, from being a teacher. I was a coach too. Now I am the first and only Filipina international referee and judge in world boxing. And I'm very proud and distributed yun ang ating gold medals na. Hopefully, bibigyan na palarong pambansa, but I'm not with DepEd anymore. I belong to the NSA. And this but I'll be going back to the US this coming June because I will officiate the USA International Boxing in Las Vegas. But so proud that naagin ko sa finals. Hopefully, I think Manquinez, he was there last palarong pagbansa. We still have one shot next year. O last na, kuha na ni Moni. And I am hoping, kamutanan, see you on the next boxing season. So discipline lang ha. Ang pinaka-contragate sa boxer is in weight. Ay nung tanawag na mag-heavyweight naman ako. Akong gagawin yung heavyweight. Anyway, thank you very much. Please all, thank you very much for accommodating the boxing event. And hope to see you the next Palarong Pambansa. Please all be for the next Palarong Pambansa. Thank you and